The painter that we're going to follow this week is Georges Seurat. He was a French painter who was born in Paris in 1891 and died at the age of 31. And the cause of his death was a form of meningitis or pneumonia. Interestingly, 2 weeks after his death, his son died of the same problem. Seurat was a post-impressionist artist. He developed a painting style that is known now as pointillism. He's one of those artists who combined opposites together. So in a way, to me, he was a fusion artist. He combined science with art. On one hand, he used logical abstraction with an almost mathematical precision of mind, as well as passionate imagery that related to his emotion. And he was very meticulous in using proper color relationship based on the color chart that we are used to now. Throughout his paintings, he combined dark with light and complementary colors, and he used them next to each other to create the colors that he wanted to paint. He studied in École des Beaux-Arts. He had a solo exhibit in 1883 in the Salon. From then on, he created several major paintings that are pretty well known in the art world. His most famous work is A Sunday Afternoon on the island of La Grande Jetée. He did about 60 studies for this painting. Smaller version, larger versions, all kinds of works that he did in order to develop that painting, which is about 2 meters by 3 meters, like 10 feet long and about 6.5 feet tall. Seurat's work were influential on the Cubists. Picasso and Braque took many of their ideas from Seurat's paintings. Several exhibits were arranged for him in Paris during and after his death. Here are some more of his works.
Fête et en délire, suffoquant sous le soleil et sous la joie, et j'entends dans la musique les cris, les rires qui éclatent et rebondissent autour de moi, et perdu parmi ces chants qui me bousculent, étourdi, désemparé, je reste là, quand soudain je me retourne, il se recule, et la foule vient me jeter entre ses bras. Emportés par la foule qui nous traîne, nous entraîne, écrasés l'un contre l'autre, nous ne formons qu'un seul corps. Et le flot sans effort nous pousse enchaîner l'un et l'autre, et nous laisse tous deux épanouis, enivrés et heureux. Entraînés par la foule qui s'élance et qui danse une folle farandole, nos deux mains restent soudées, et parfois soulevés, nos deux corps enlacés s'envolent, et retombent tous deux épanouis, enivrés et heureux. Et la joie qu'elle a poussée par son sourire me transperce et rejaillit au fond de moi. Mais soudain, je pousse un cri parmi les rires, quand la foule vient l'arracher d'entre mes bras. Emportés par la foule qui nous traîne, nous entraîne, nous éloigne l'un de l'autre, je lutte et je me débat. Mais le son de ma voix s'étouffe dans le rire des autres, et je crie de douleur, de fureur, de rage, et je pleure. Et traîné par la foule qui s'élance et qui danse une folle farandole, je suis emporté au loin. Et je crispe mes poings maudissant la foule qui me vole l'homme qu'elle m'avait donné que je n'ai jamais revu.